kindergarten friends, it's Friday. You made it. We all made it. What a week, though. I really hope that you get a chance with your parents to sit and talk as a family about what these last 2 weeks have looked like at your house. Maybe even write down some notes, because these are historical moments. And it's fun that you and I still get to be together in the mornings and maybe even through the day, but it's different. And so this is something that we can remember of ways that we learned and ways that we grew. So it's Friday. I'm here at my house. My whole family is still asleep. So what's kind of funny is we're doing calendar math this morning. The sun is just starting to rise at my house, and it looks like it's going to be a sunny day, but I don't know for sure. So here at the calendar, today I moved it. It's Friday, March 20th. So go ahead and mark it and write it in your calendar map this morning too. If I were to look at my pattern, blue, blue, purple, 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 blue, blue, purple, 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 blue. Today would be a blue day because it's a rainbow. So I'll put my 20 in, but then let's do Saturday too, because you know, when we're at school together, we usually do one day of the weekend on Friday. So for me, that one day is a purple day because it's March 21st tomorrow. So there's our calendar for you. If I look over here to how many days smarter we are, I'm gonna grab one more straw, which means now I have 100, 110, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124 days of school. 124. I put them in the wrong way. Sorry. Here's your password. Keep writing all. Here's mine. I haven't written it for Friday yet. All. A-L-L. All of you are special to me. And then it's Friday, so it's our memory verse day. I hope you've been practicing. This is a great time to have a mom or a dad or a grandma or whoever you're with today. Tell them your memory verse. See if you can remember the whole thing. So our emotions are from Proverbs 20:11, and it says, even a child is known by his doings. Again, I hope you're doing really great things that are being a sweet blessing to those around you today. Our schedule of the day, if we were at school, we'd be doing some kitchen science this morning. And on your calendar, it said we'd be eating green eggs and ham together this morning as part of our fun thing. I hope today, Fridays, we can still keep kitchen science going, but it's you baking things at your house. So put some food coloring in your scrambled eggs this morning and you can make them green. That's kind of a silly, fun thing to do. Or have mom or dad send me an email and tell me what you're baking for kitchen science. I can't wait to hear about it. Maybe even get some new recipes for here, the Strandy family. The other thing for you today, this is more for moms and dads. So if they're not with you, say, hey mom, Mrs. Strandy has some important information for you. Okay, you got them? So this afternoon at school, on Friday, we're gonna do a next round of packet pickup for you, which means that I've been working so hard to get work ready for the next couple weeks for you to do at home and for us to keep doing this. So let me show you. This is all of our work for the next couple weeks. And I'll keep sending you videos, and we'll do school that way. The other thing I have is about a bunch of kisses, partially because it's K-week next week. You'll learn that. But it's a way I can kiss you even here from my house, because I love you and I miss you. Okay, are you ready for the work for Friday? Okay, it looks like this. Day 4. Next week, it's gonna look a little different in your packet, but I'll get to that later, and I probably will just send your parents another video. Day 4. This is for you. Here's your entry task, okay? Gathering eggs. Find the eggs and color them yellow. And then you're hunting for 16 eggs. The next one, it's another build a word. You did this a couple days ago. So these words all have O as their vowel. So that's a hint. So what I would say is write the letters first as you figure out the words, and then you can move these up, or you can cut out the letters and then see which ones you have left, and if that'll give you a clue for your word. So build a word. This is part of what we would do in the morning, maybe for our reading time. This one, kind of like yesterday, but it says ending sounds. So now you're thinking about the letter at the end of the word. So they even wrote part of the word to give you a clue today, which is really nice. So this first one, it says heart. Heart, you're right. So it would be a T, but I'm gonna write my T down here because this is a tool to help you stay organized with which ones need to go where. This one says Ray. It's not a cloud because those beginning letters don't give us a good clue. I would think what's coming out, rain, N. So I'll write my N here. And then when I glue out my pieces, it'll help me stay organized as I cover the pictures. So that's probably, I would say that's our phonics is what we would have done in the afternoon with that. Remember the Fridays, we have PE and we have art and we do kitchen science. So a lot of times our desk work isn't a lot on Fridays. Here is a practice with subtracting. So it's just a whole bunch of subtraction problems. If you need your cubes to make 6 and then take away 4, you can do that. The last one I have for you today is 2 pages of a math game. It's the same game, just some extra pages. And for this one, you're gonna need your supply bag. It's a good thing Caleb's here. He's not even awake, I borrowed his. So Caleb also put some scissors in here the other day so that he's got it all ready to go. So you'll need dice for our subtraction game today. They were stuck in his scissors. So here's my dice. So all of my subtraction problems today are gonna start with 6. And then it's minus, remember, Linus the minus means take away. Plus means put together, minus means take away. So everything's gonna start at 6. 6 minus, well, I don't know what my is. This is where you get to use your dice. So you're gonna roll it. This is what I got. Can you see my number? It's a 4. So then I would write the number 4 here. Let's see if I can do it. 4, 6 minus 4. Now, if you're a friend who wants to cross them off, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then see how many you have left, that's an okay thing to do. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. You're right, 2. And then I'd roll my dice again. Start with my 6, roll my dice, write my number, and figure out that subtraction problem. So you have 2 pages that you can do that with. This one's red, this one's black. I don't know why this one's red, probably because I had extra copies and I just thought it'd be fun to give you a color one today. Okay, so that's the paperwork for today. But I want to check with you. Did you write about one of your Raz Kid stories in your journal yet? That's something that would be good to do. So I want to remind you that you're going to write the date at the top where the star goes. And then you're going to write me a sentence about something that you read, or a favorite part, or a favorite character, or what the setting was in your book that you read on the computer. Okay? Okay. The other thing is you're going to do it in your book buddy this week too, because I didn't send you another paper book. You're going to do a Raz book. So make sure you do that, and then have your mom or dad still sign off in the middle what you read. And moms and dads, would you write the title of the book that they read on Raz Kids and the date it happened and sign your name, just so that I know what book we're reading, okay? So there's that. I hope that you're having a great day. I hope that the Lord's been really good to you. I hope you keep washing your hands. Mine are ouchie right now because I've been washing them so much. I hope that you're having a great time at home with your siblings. I hope that you are being kind when you do your schoolwork, even if it's really hard to do your schoolwork next to your brother or your sister. I hope that you're laughing a lot. and I hope you're seeing goodness in every day. I love you. I miss you. It feels weird still being at my house, but you know what? I love our community, and that's the choice we're going to make right now. So, remind your parents, packet pickup today from 3 to 6 at school, just for moms and dads. They're really just going to run in, and our table's going to be outside the building because the building's clean now. So parents are going to go. They're going to grab 2 packets, and then they're going to grab maybe a couple kisses for you too, and get you your stuff for next week. So have a great weekend. I love you. See you later.